Meetfox tutorial for beginners. Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Meetfox for scheduling and for also hosting video calls and so much more. To get started is actually completely free. You can go onto meetfox.com and you're going to tap on Get Started. It's free. From there, you'll be able to sign up using your email address. Once you're signed up, you'll be able to choose your Meetfox extension. Then you can start creating your page. So for example, you can use this option to personalize your page, whether you're looking to create a page for consulting, coaching and training, whichever one of these options you can select it. Let's say for example, I'll select consulting, then we'll tap on next. After you have done that, you can see right here, finish building your page. Will you be offering virtual consultation and also discovery call? You can select both. And I'm also going to be showing you how to create your own. So once here, we can tap on go to dashboard. And this is your dashboard at the moment. So you can see it right here. If you were to copy the link, you will be able to see your page that you had created in the build up a while ago. So you can see the page right here. And I'll be showing you how to further customize it. The first thing you want to do is set up your availability, meaning the hours that persons will be able to schedule your services. To do this, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, tap on availability, and tap on set availability. Then from there, you can choose the working days. So you can see Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If you like to also add Saturday and Sunday, you can tap on add availability and you can do that. Once you're finished doing that, you can choose the time that you'll be available. So let's say for example from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. I could select that and you can choose that time going right down the line. Once you're finished doing that, you can see meetings can be booked between now and for example, let's say up to 2 weeks, and then you can tap on save. Then we'll tap on save once more. You can also go over to the left-hand menu option, and from here you could sync calendars. So you could tap on sync calendar, and you could sync your Google Calendar, or if you have an Outlook calendar, you can sync it also. Once you're finished doing that, you can tap on my page from the left-hand menu option, and you can customize your page. So you could add, for example, say a profile pic. You can add a page description. You can also scroll down and you can tap right where you see link details. You could customize your URL. You can also change the page language and you can add images. So you could upload the profile pic right here and you could also update your Firecon. So you can do that right there and you can tap on save. After you have customized your page, you'll see a preview of how it looks from the right hand column. And if you like to share it, you can tap on share page right here. And from there, you'll be able to copy the page link and you can share it. You can also go over to the left-hand menu option and select meeting types. Then from there, you could select edit meeting type. And from here, you can choose to create a meeting or you can edit one of the pre-done meetings. To create a meeting, we can tap on add meeting type, whether you like to create a personal meeting, a round-robin meeting, which would be a booking is automatically assigned to an available member of your team, or if you like to do collective with a group, you can select whichever one of these meetings. After you have selected the meeting type, you can give the meeting a name. So let's say I were to call it test. Then you can choose the location, and I'm just going to select video meeting via Meetfox, and you can add a description. Then you could add the duration. You can also choose the color. And if you like to charge a fee, you can set the fee that you like to charge right there. Then you can use your default availability, or you could choose to set a custom time for this particular meeting. You can also scroll down and tap on advanced, and you can see the different options and you could choose to record the video call. Then you're going to tap on save. Once it has been saved, you can go over to the left-hand menu option and you can create a booking form. And this is one of the standout features when it comes onto Meetfox. By tapping on add booking form, instead of just collecting the person's name and email address, you can give the form a name and you can add the questions that you would like to ask right there. And you can add another question. so you can ask questions before someone will be able to book your services. And when you go over to the left hand menu option, you can tap on contacts. From here, you'll be able to see the persons that have shared their contact information with you thus far. You can also select meeting room, and this is where persons will be able to sign up with Meetfox. And then from there, this is where you will be able to keep your meeting, so you can share a link with a client or so on. You can also create a meeting room. To set up payments or to view payments, you can tap on payments from the left hand menu option, and you could activate Stripe. You can also choose whether you'll be collecting payment by hand, so you can use your own payment method. You can choose the currency and so on. To add teammates, you can tap on teams. From there, you could select members, and you'll be able to add teammates by tapping on add new. And you can add new members by tapping on add new members right there. If we were to tap on integrations, you can see different platforms that you can quickly embed your link on. So for example, I could select website, and I can select whether I like to embed it as a pop-up, inline embed, or pop-up widget. And you can also scroll down, and from there you can see the different options that you can embed. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching.